Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use Google Password Manager in OUKITEL C33. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome, then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Here find the passwords and now make sure that Save Passwords is enabled. We can go back and then go for any site like Facebook. And when we click on login with our credentials entered, we should see the pop-up with Save Password. We can save it just like that and then move back to the settings and Passwords Manager. Here we can see the Facebook with our credentials. We can click on it to check the username. You can also edit both of the information, password and username. There's also option to click on this I button, unlock your phone, and you'll see the password. You can instantly copy both of the username and password, and there's also option to delete this credentials from the list with delete password, just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.